Hey guys, back in my video. So today I will be putting in shampoo in this clay butter slime. This is actually a slime that I showed you guys how to make with only clay and lotion. And I added in another type of clay. Well, it was still Model Magic, but it was like light blue, and then I think the color changed up a little bit, and it got way bigger, like way stretchier, and like way doughier. And so that's what I've done to it lately, and I haven't played with it in a long time lately. So, well, I actually just put the clay in yesterday, so yeah, it spreads super nicely. It stretches, it's super dopey. So, let's get straight on with the video. I know I can't do that thing, but I don't care. So, I will be putting in this daily clarifying shampoo, and I will be seeing how it works out. I've already put in a little bit in it, but it doesn't matter. So, that was kind of a lot. But at least we're trying a new thing. Just putting clay with shampoo. And I am actually making shampoo slime and a water slime. Not like a water slime that you make with glue, a shampoo water slime. So I am trying that. I got it from a YouTube channel. So I'm just trying it out and seeing how it would be. So, yeah. It's becoming very liquidy a little bit. It's becoming very foamy. I think it became even more spreadable. But it is getting on the table a little bit, sadly. I think it became like a little bit more like sticky and doughy at the same time. I think it became like more cloud-like, like a cloud, not like a cloud slime, but like more like airy. Clay is airy. I have no idea what clay is made out of, but it just became so airy. So, yeah. It doesn't really click anymore. It actually does click a little bit. So I think that's actually a good idea to add in if you want clicky, not butter slime, just clay and lotion. So I'll probably be adding in more to see how this goes. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. Sorry about that. It is kind of blue a little bit, but it is clear at the same time. So like maybe after this I'm doing this, after this I'll show you guys the shampoo / water slimes I'm trying to make. They're not ready yet because I just made them today. But this doesn't really come off of the table a little bit, so you guys will just have to mind with that. It's really good though. I think it got more spreadable.
kids, they have what, 5 days to make up? They went on President's Day, right?
That is not a good slime swirl. Still not a good slime swirl. So, yeah. Has really good clicks. Even though it's not even a slime. So that is spectacular.
Yeah, because I know.
So this shampoo actually helps the non-butter slime. Well, I would probably say this would be not a real slime. It would just be like clay and stuff. So if you like airy butter slimes, then this would be the one for you. It stretches a little longer than the normal ones before I added this in. So yeah, because this one would just not stretch right away. It wouldn't just keep it in, but this one does. So it is way better. I would recommend it, and I think you guys would really like it too. So if you like this video, the video is not over yet. And I think it does grow bigger, which I love. It's I love slimes that get bigger. So yeah, I'm gonna probably have to find a different container. For this whenever I'm finished with this video. So I'll just set that to the side. Okay. So first we have this blue jiggly slime. I mean, I can feel this one. It's kind of jiggly. So but you do get blue stuff on your hands because of the dye. And then I just have the regular shampoo. This one, the big one, is not so liquidy as the others. But this one definitely is the back one. This one. And this one kind of is too. Well, it actually is. So I might need to put a little bit more shampoo in each after this video, but I'll just wipe it on my pajamas. So yeah. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you already haven't done so yet. Like this video if it was helpful, or if you just liked it and want to try it. Did I already say make sure to subscribe? I'll just say it again. Make sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on any videos that I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and make sure to follow me on TikTok, QL0111, lowercase c, lowercase o, Snapchat, AvaLevi11Y, lowercase a, and lowercase l. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!